1. Body language cues. First up, let's talk about body language. Gentlemen, this is where the magic happens. A younger woman's body is like a billboard, advertising her interest in big, bold letters. And trust me, when she's into you, her body will be screaming it from the rooftops. So, what should you be looking for? Well, for starters, keep an eye out for open body language. If she's uncrossing her arms and legs and leaning in closer to you, that's a surefire sign that she's digging your vibe. It's like she's saying, "Hey there, handsome, I'm an open book and I want you to read me." But that's not all. Pay attention to her eyes. Are they locked on you like a heat-seeking missile? Is she giving you that smoldering gaze that feels like it's piercing right through to your soul? If so, congratulations. You've just been seduced. And let's not forget about the power of a good smile. If she's flashing you those pearly whites and laughing at all your jokes, even the ones that aren't that funny, chances are she's smitten. Now, I know what you're thinking. But what if I'm just imagining things? Well, here's the thing. If you're noticing these body language cues consistently, trust your gut. Because when it comes to seduction, your instincts are your best friend. So, sit back, relax, and enjoy the ride. 2. Finding excuses to touch. Next up, let's talk about the art of the accidental touch. Gentlemen, when a younger woman is into you, she'll find any excuse to get her hands on you. And trust me, it's not because she's checking you for ticks. Picture this. You're at the bar deep in conversation. Suddenly, she reaches out and touches your arm, laughing at something you said. Or maybe you're walking side by side and her hand keeps accidentally brushing against yours. These, my friends, are the signs of a woman who's thirsting for your touch. But it's not just about the physical contact itself. It's about the way she does it. Is her touch lingering just a little too long? Is she finding excuses to adjust your collar or brush a stray hair off your face? These are all signs that she's trying to create a sense of intimacy and connection. Now, I know what you're thinking, but what if she's just a touchy-feely person? And that's a valid question. But here's the thing. If she's touching you more than she's touching anyone else in the room, that's a pretty clear indicator that you're special. So, what should you do when you notice these signs? Well, for starters, don't flinch or pull away. Embrace the touch and reciprocate in a way that feels natural and comfortable. Because when it comes to seduction, it takes two to tango. 3. Playful teasing. All right, gents. Let's talk about the fine art of playful teasing. When a younger woman is into you, she'll often engage in flirtatious banter that's designed to get your heart racing and your mind wandering. But what does playful teasing look like? Well, for starters, it's all about the tone. She might say something that seems innocent on the surface, but the way she says it will have your imagination running wild. It's like she's speaking in a secret code that only you two understand. For example, let's say you're at a restaurant and you order a big, juicy steak. She might lean in close and say something like, "Wow, you must have a big appetite. I wonder what else you have a taste for." Just like that, she's taken a mundane moment and turned it into a sizzling, seductive exchange. But playful teasing isn't just about innuendo. It's also about the way she pokes fun at you in a way that feels flirtatious and fun. She might tease you about your choice of shirt or the way you pronounce a certain word, but it's all done with a glint in her eye and a smile on her face. And here's the thing, gentlemen. When a younger woman is teasing you like this, it's a sign that she's comfortable around you and wants to create a sense of playful intimacy. So, don't be afraid to tease her back and engage in a little witty repartee. Just remember to keep it light, fun, and always respectful. 4. Complimenting your appearance. Now let's talk about the power of a well-placed compliment. Gentlemen, when a younger woman is into you, she'll often go out of her way to let you know just how attractive she finds you. And trust me, these compliments will be music to your ears. But what kind of compliments should you be looking out for? Well, for starters, pay attention to the way she talks about your physical appearance. Does she comment on your strong jawline or the way your eyes sparkle in the light? Does she tell you that you look handsome in that shirt or that your new haircut is really working for you? These are all signs that she's digging your look and wants you to know it. But it's not just about the words themselves. It's about the way she says them. If she's looking you up and down with a smoldering gaze and a coy smile, that's a pretty clear indication that she's thinking about more than just your fashion sense. And here's the thing, gents. When a younger woman is complimenting you like this, it's a sign that she's not just attracted to you, but she's also trying to boost your confidence and make you feel good about yourself. So, don't be afraid to accept these compliments graciously and return the favor. After all, a little mutual admiration never hurt anyone. Appreciating the insights in today's video? Imagine how much more you could achieve with personalized guidance from a dedicated dating coach. Our free 60-minute strategy call is a game changer for anyone serious about improving their dating skills. You'll learn not only to meet more women, but also to connect with them on a deeper level. Click the link in the pinned comment to book your session and start dating with renewed confidence and success. 5. Suggestive comments. Let's talk about the art of the suggestive comment. When a younger woman is trying to seduce you, she might drop hints that are a little more direct and a little less subtle than your average flirtatious banter. So, what do these suggestive comments sound like? Well, they might start off innocently enough, but there will be a certain undertone that leaves little to the imagination. For example, she might say something like, "I had a dream about you last night, and let's just say it was a good one." Or maybe she'll tell you that she's been thinking about you all day and can't wait to see you again. But suggestive comments aren't always verbal. Sometimes they can come in the form of a text message or a social media post. Maybe she'll send you a photo of herself in a revealing outfit with a caption that says, "Thinking of you." Or maybe she'll post a status update that's clearly directed at you, like, "Feeling lucky tonight. Who wants to join me?" Now, I know what you're thinking, but what if I'm misinterpreting things? And that's a valid concern. But here's the thing. If a younger woman is consistently making suggestive comments and they're becoming more and more direct, chances are she's not just being friendly, she's trying to take things to the next level. 6. Initiating private meetings. Finally, let's talk about the ultimate sign that a younger woman is trying to seduce you: initiating private meetings. Gentlemen, when a woman wants to get you alone, it's not because she wants to discuss the weather or the latest sports scores. It's because she's got something more intimate in mind. So, what does initiating a private meeting look like? Well, it might start with a casual suggestion, like, "Hey, why don't we grab a drink after work sometime?" Or, "I've got this great bottle of wine at home. Want to come over and help me finish it?" These are all invitations to take your relationship to a more secluded and private setting. But initiating private meetings isn't just about the actual suggestion itself. It's about the way she goes about it. Does she seem nervous or excited when she asks you? Does she bite her lip or play with her hair while she's waiting for your response? These are all signs that she's not just asking you to hang out as a friend, but as something more. Now, I know what you're thinking, but what if I'm not ready for that level of intimacy? And that's okay. The key is to communicate your boundaries and intentions clearly and respectfully. If you're interested in taking things further, let her know. But if you're not, be honest and upfront about it. Because at the end of the day, seduction is a two-way street. And there you have it, gentlemen. The 6 signs that a woman is trying to seduce you. So what's next for you? Discover the question she asks when she thinks you're attractive, or learn the best compliments to give her. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe for more.